Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the fundamental properties in CSS, padding. What is padding in CSS? Padding is a space between an element's content and its border. It is used to create more space within an element, increasing the element's size and improving its readability. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code between the body tags. If you do not have this set up already, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add a heading and 8 short paragraphs. The H1, I'm going to call this padding. For the first paragraph, I say this paragraph has no padding. The second paragraph, say this paragraph has 50 pixels of padding at the top. I'm also going to give this an ID of padding top. Third paragraph, this paragraph has text aligned to the right and 30 pixels of padding on the right. Give this an ID of padding right. And then for the fourth paragraph, say this paragraph has 20 pixels of padding from the bottom. And I'm going to give it an ID of padding bottom. The next paragraph, say this paragraph has 60 pixels of padding on the left. I'm also going to give it an ID of padding left. And this next paragraph, this paragraph has padding all around. Give it an ID of padding all. And this next paragraph is going to have this paragraph has 50 pixels of padding all around. And I'll give it an ID of padding -1 value. And for the last paragraph has 50 pixels padding on top and bottom and 30 pixels padding on left and right. I'm going to give it an ID of padding 2 value. Then over in the styles.css file, let's clear out the styles from the previous video and style our paragraph and IDs. So for the paragraph tag, we give it a color of yellow and a background color green. So this is gonna be the default styling for all the paragraphs unless I override it in the IDs, which I won't. So for the padding top, give that a padding top property of 50 pixels. You see it added space at the top here. The next one, padding right. Let me text a line to the right so we can see better the padding. So padding right, give it 30 pixels. So align the text to the right, and then you can see the padding there. Next is padding bottom. Give it a padding bottom property. And I'm going to give that 20 pixels. So there you go. It added space here at the bottom. And then padding left. Give that a padding left property of 60 pixels. So there you go. It added some space here and shifted the text to the left, to the right. Let's use the shorthand, which is just padding. And with this, we can define a different padding for each side. So 50 pixels, then 30 pixels, 20 pixels, and 60 pixels. And the shorthand works in this manner. The first value defines the top, then the right, then the bottom, then the left. So clockwise order starting from the top. Next, let's style the padding 1 value. We only give it one value. It's going to give the same padding all around. And if we give this 2 values, 50 pixels and 30 pixels, the first value is going to style the top and the bottom, and the second value is going to style the left and the right. Padding is a part of the CSS box model, which includes the content, padding, border, and margin. The size of an element is determined by the content, padding, and border combined. We will be discussing the border and the margin properties in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And that's it. Padding is an essential property that is used to improve the readability of content, create space within elements, and ensure that your website looks great on any device. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.